Welcome to your 4-minute Tai Chi session. So today I just want to introduce the idea of moving around your central axis. The central axis is a line that moves right through the crown of your head, and it goes right through the center of your body, almost like it's right in front of your spine, and through down the perineal floor. And then when we do Tai Chi, we want to keep that nice straight alignment. We're not bending it all over the place. We're keeping that straight, and then we're moving around that central axis. So every movement is made by moving around that axis. And that then moves from our feet up. So it's like this really cool toy that I have here. And if you can see, I have a nice metal rod, goes right through the top, all the way down to the bottom. You can imagine 2 pair of feet at the bottom here. And we're going to initiate that movement from the feet. And when we do, then everything moves around that central axis. And the arms and the extremities are rotating around it and gaining quite a bit of power, actually, from moving from the feet. Now, if I tried to move it from the top, not so much power. If I tried to move it out here, which a lot of Tai Chi players think that they are moving their arms and hands and making something beautiful, but it lacks power. Okay, so it's the inside, it's the central axis, and rotating from the base that generates that power that we can generate in our Tai Chi. Okay, so you're just going to sit down as though you're sitting on a stool behind you, not too deep, not too tall. And now really feel that central axis. Can you just sense the crown of your head, where it might be, and then draw a line as though you're growing an axis from the center of that all the way down to the very center of your perineal floor. Okay, now I want you to feel the center of your feet, because remember, that's where we move from. And then just start as though you're turning the floor with your feet, but your feet stay in place. And again, I'm less concerned about what's happening with your arms and more concerned with, are you turning around that central axis? And are you initiating that from the feet up? So this one is called pushing water or ward off, so that you're making that full circle like the lollipopter did. And relax your elbows, relax your shoulders. That's it, very nice. And let's see, let's try another movement. Let's put your left hand up, right hand down. And then swap it out and move from the feet. So it doesn't matter really what your arms are doing. Are you moving through and around that central axis? Are your shoulders staying over your hips? And both knees are soft and bent. Very nice. And we'll come back to the center now. And just connect the energy between your hands. Can you feel a little bit of warmth or tingling? You've really sort of excited the bioelectrical energy in your body, and it starts to circulate. And so we're going to just take that from the crown of your head right down that center, as though you're drawing along that central axis. Very nice, and we'll do one more. Breathe in for me, and then let go. Let go of your shoulders. Pretend your elbows have 2 really heavy purses on them, and you're just letting them sink down. And now your fingertips have dewdrops, and you're just letting them roll off to the ground. Very nice. Well, thank you for joining me for this 4-minute Tai Chi lesson. And I hope that you will go to my website, taichisusan.com, or come and join me in one of my live streaming classes. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in the future.